Just in case your Android 14 phone ends up in the color inverted display colors and you're wondering how to go about to change it back to normal, this is a nothing phone with Android 14 and it should be the same for just about any other Android phone out there. The first two quick things you can do to check to see if you can turn it off easily is by holding down the volume keys together at the same time for 3 seconds. That should disable it if you have the shortcut enabled. Now, if that doesn't work, you can also use the quick access and look for the toggle known as color inversion. And if you just so happen to not see it there, the next thing you want to do now is go into the main settings of your phone. So on your Android phone, for some phones, you'll pull it down once or twice until you see the settings toggle right there, this right here. Once you're in the main settings of your Android phone, you will want to go down and just keep going down until you see accessibility right there. Now that you're in the accessibility section here, you will go to the part that says color and motion, this one right here. While you're here now, you will see the different color options found under accessibility, and you will see the color inversion. And once you're here, you should be able to turn that off from there. But before you do that, just make sure the shortcut is disabled so that you won't accidentally turn it on the next time. And as you turn it off now, you will have back your normal colors. And that's that for this guide. Like and sub.